Hi everyone, and welcome to the Digistar 6 tutorial series. This video is an overview of the production view. The production view is the fourth of 5 different views, each optimized for a specific activity. The production view is currently open, and it's designed to give you access to all the tools you need to program scripts for show production. Now, in this tutorial, we will not be reviewing how to script. It is merely an overview of the interface and an introduction to the tools in this view. The production view is made up of the script editor in the upper left, followed by a series of windows. In the lower left are the script errors, running scripts, messages, command console, and command echo windows. In the upper right is the DOM view window, and in the lower right is the objects properties window. All of these windows work together to give you the precise control you need to create, edit, and test your scripts. So let's go ahead and start with the script editor. The script editor is a specialized text editor designed to be used for script development, and the script editor supports the Digistar scripting language as well as JavaScript. Now, as you can see in the script editor, multiple scripts can be opened, each displayed as a separate tab in the editor. At the top of the editor are drop-down menus to give you the tools you need to open, edit, and play back your scripts. In addition, there are buttons for quick edit actions, such as commenting and uncommenting the lines in your script, as well as playing and, of course, then stopping your scripts. Moving below the script editor, the first window is the script errors window. This window displays any errors that arise in a script and the line that can be found. So, for example, if I remove the word rate in the scene date rate command and try to play this script, I get an error that tells me the scripting line is not correct. I can find it in this script here, as well as in this line number 22. If I then go ahead and fix that error and play the script, now the error will disappear. Next is the Running Scripts window. This window tells you all the scripts that are currently running, as well as the ability to stop any script. The Messages window provides you with any system messages, including any error messages, to help you diagnose any issues that may arise during script creation. Now, the next two windows give you the ability to interactively enter Digistar scripting language commands for execution. The command console allows you to enter commands, which are then executed after pressing enter, and a history of recently used commands is kept, which you can navigate through and re-execute by pressing the enter key again. The next window, the command echo window, shows commands as they are executed from the command console, scripts, or even from the UI itself. In the bottom right-hand corner, the Objects Properties window allows you to view and manipulate the properties and attributes of objects. You can also copy and paste those attributes into the script editor. Finally, the DOM view shows you what is currently displayed on the DOM. Also, at the top of the window, there is a row of buttons that allow interaction and manipulation of real-time content on the DOM, such as moving objects, turning constellations on or off, or even adding text to the DOM. So, as you can see, the production view gives you the controls you need for easily creating scripts and shows utilizing Digistar's precise command language. Keep your eye out for an in-depth tutorial for how to script in Digistar, but for now, play around with the production view and discover the possibilities scripting has to offer. Thanks for watching!